According to Einstein's block universe theory, your final breath is just a location, not an end. Every person you've ever missed is still exactly where they were. The separation between yesterday and today is entirely artificial. The past, present, and future all are happening at the same time.
Just as we think of all of space as being out there, we should think of all of time as being out there too. Everything that has ever happened or will happen, it all exists.
We perceive time as a river, with the past behind us, the future ahead, and the present continuously rushing forward. It feels undeniable. It feels like the most fundamental feature of existence. Physics says it's an illusion. But if the flow of time is a mirage, what is the alternative? The answer lies in a block universe theory. It comes directly out of Albert Einstein's special relativity, where time is treated as a fourth spatial dimension. Therefore, every point, moment in history, past, present, and future, exists simultaneously in one single, static, eternal structure from the Big Bang to the final black dwarf. Even Einstein believed this to be true. After his friend, Michele Besso, died, Einstein didn't comfort the family with standard condolences. Instead, he relied on physics, reminding them that the dividing line between yesterday, today, and tomorrow is nothing more than an illusion. Think about what this means for your own life. In this massive, frozen cosmic structure, there is no single version of you. Instead, every second of your existence is permanently preserved. The child you once were, the teenager you grew into, and the person you are right now, they all exist simultaneously, forever and frozen at different coordinates in space-time. Likewise, the future version of you also exists, but is at locations beyond where you have been or will go. Your death is therefore not an end, but rather a boundary. Everything before that point is permanent, cannot change, and exists eternally in the structure of space-time. But if this cosmic architecture is entirely static, it forces us to confront a deeply unsettling question. What happens to free will? If the future version of you already exists, then every choice you have ever made and every decision you will make tomorrow is already locked into the fabric of reality. In a block universe, you are just an observer, traveling along a frozen highway of time that you have no power to change. But quantum mechanics may completely destroy the idea of a block universe. According to mainstream quantum physics, reality isn't a pre-recorded movie. It's a game of fundamental chance, and the implications of this are staggering. It doesn't mean the future is just hard to guess. It means the future hasn't been coded yet. Even an omniscient observer looking down on space-time from the outside would see a blank canvas. Not because of blind spots, but because tomorrow literally does not exist. This creates a haunting paradox. If Einstein is wrong and the quantum world is right, we gain an unwritten future. But a groundbreaking theory of quantum gravity suggests we don't have to choose between Einstein and the quantum world. What if they are both completely right, depending entirely on where you are standing? This is the concept of emergent time. If you could step completely outside the universe and look at the entire cosmos from a distance, you would see a perfectly static, timeless monument. Einstein's block universe is absolute, but when you step inside that monument, subatomic particles begin to interact and entangle with one another. Physicists have discovered that it is this very process of quantum entanglement that actually generates the sensation of a ticking clock. Time does not exist out there in the dark. It is a localized byproduct created whenever parts of the universe communicate with each other. And finally, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and stay updated on the latest space news and discoveries. Thanks for watching.